Possible bang ma-hit ang 1,000 subscribers in less than a month? The answer is yes! Meron akong 7 strategies na ginawa at na-hit ko yung 1,000 subscribers at yan ang isa-share ko sa'yo. So, stay tuned!
You're watching Allen Online TV, the place to be if you want to build your online brand, business, and be your own boss. Now your host, Allen De Leon.
Hi, Allen De Leon here and welcome to Allen Online TV. Now, if this is your first time sa YouTube channel to and you would like to learn YouTube strategies and tactics to grow your online brand, online business, and be your own boss, then subscribe now and click that bell notification so you won't miss any of our video tips, tricks, and tutorials. The first strategy na dapat mong gawin is you have to decide kung ano ba talaga ang YouTube channel mo. What is your YouTube channel all about? Okay, for example, ang YouTube channel mo ba is a travel YouTube channel wherein pumupunta ka sa mga different locations or countries na pinapakita mo yung kung saan ka pumupunta. So that is a travel channel. Or yung very popular ngayon is yung beauty channel wherein marami ako nakikita ng mga YouTuber na babae na nag-makeup tutorial sila and then meron sila mga nire-recommend na products na pampa-beauty, yan, marami yan. Okay, very popular yan. Or yung mga iba kong kakilala na gadgets naman sila wherein may mga latest gadgets silang unboxing na ginagawa. So, you have to consider ano ba talaga yung aking channel because you need to attract people with the same interests. So, before ka mag-start ng YouTube channel mo, you really have to think and decide ano ba talaga ang YouTube channel ko. So that people would understand when they see your YouTube channel, ito pala yun, I have the same passion and interest with this YouTube channel, kaya magsusubscribe ako. So, strategy number 2 is keywords research. So, bago ka gumawa ng video, isipin mo muna kung ano yung gusto mong topic. At pag naisip mo na kung ano yung topic ng video content mo, then kinakailangan pumunta ka kay YouTube. So, punta tayo kay YouTube. So, anyway, nandito tayo sa YouTube. So, halimbawa, yung topic mo is how to drive a car. Kung mapapansin mo, nung nag-type ako, ang dami ng titles na binigay si YouTube. Ibig lang sabihin yan yung mga sinesearch ng mga viewers na meron ng history or titles sa YouTube. So, mga keywords na yan. So, kung gagawa ka ng topic of how to drive a car, make sure na yung keywords na yan nasa video mo para maging searchable yung videos mo, para ma-discover yung videos mo. Kasi, aanhin mo ang magandang video, magandang content, kung hindi naman nasa-search, di ba? So, importante searchable yung videos mo, kaya importante yung keywords research. Strategy number 3 is optimize your YouTube video. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig lang sabihin nun is, para yung video mo ang i-click, kasi syempre, ang dami mga videos yan with similar topics, magkakapareho na yung topics. So, para yung viewer, piliin ang video mo at i-click niya, then, kinakailangan you must have an attractive and engaging, number 1, thumbnail. The same way with your titles, your description, and your tags. Now, I have a separate video for that kasi medyo madetalye yan kung paano ini-strategize yan. Ito yung video na to. Make sure na check mo tong video na to. Now, I just don't know kung na-upload na tong video na to. Kung hindi pa, so make sure to subscribe para ma-notify ka once na-upload na yung video na yan. Now, baka naman by that time na panoorin mo to, na-upload na, so you can also check the description section or yung mga videos natin sa homepage ng Allen Online TV YouTube channel. Strategy number 4 is to create shorter videos pag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang as a YouTuber. Why? Kasi wala ka pang loyal subscribers. So, itong mga manonood ng videos mo is syempre parang trial period pa lang tinitingnan yung videos mo. Kung shorter yan, then matatapos sila yung videos mo. Pero kung medyo mahaba, baka hindi nila matapos. Ang maganda kapag may loyal subscribers ka na, kahit mahaba pa yung videos mo, tatapusin nila kasi idol ka na nila di ba? Kaya sila nag-subscribe. Kaya okay lang pag mahaba na. Okay? So, ang number 2 reason rin, kaya kailangan shorter, para mas mabilis ka makagawa ng mga videos. Kinakailangan kasi yung YouTube channel mo, punong-puno yan ng mga videos para pag may viewer na nanonood ng video mo, at parang gusto pa niyang panoorin yung ibang videos mo, at least makikita niya, ang dami mo na palang videos na nagawa. So, yan ang importance ng paggawa ng shorter videos. Pero, pag may loyal subscribers ka na, kinakailangan mahabang videos na gagawin mo. Like, for example, mga minimum of 10 to 15 or even 20 minutes. Now, kung shorter videos, 5 minutes below. Yan, mga shorter videos yan. Strategy number 5 is consistently upload videos sa YouTube channel nyo. Kung may naririnig kayong background noise, mga asong nagbabark, pasensya na po kayo. So again, consistently upload videos sa YouTube channel mo. Why? Because the more videos, the more exposure, the more views. Di ba? So, make it a point na mag-set ka ng goal mo na halimbawa, once a week, pwede ka mag-upload ng videos mo, or maybe twice a week or thrice a week. May iba nga, everyday sila nag-upload. So, siguro minimum is once a week. Kung kaya mo yan, then that's okay. Number 6 is to create engaging videos. So, how do you create engaging videos? Well, number 1, syempre yung content. Kaya manonood ang viewers mo because of your content at magsusubscribe yan kung maganda ang content mo. So, that's number 1. At yung iba na lang is mga konting technical na lang yan sa pag-video edit mo. For example, lagyan mo ng background music or sound effects or graphic effects, yung mga keyframes mo, mga zoom in, zoom out ng camera mo, or yung voice tonality mo. Kailangan yung voice mo dynamic, minsan tumataas, minsan bumababa. Or pwede ka rin mag-inject ng humor para ma-entertain sila. Then yung mga transitions, yan lahat tinuturo ko dito sa YouTube channel na to. Kaya make sure to subscribe. Okay guys? So yan, makakatulong yan para maging engaging ang videos mo at hindi boring. And lastly, strategy number 7. Once nagawa mo na lahat yan, yung videos mo, ready na lahat, at in-upload mo, pag na-upload mo na yung video mo, make sure i-promote mo yung video mo in other social media platforms like sa Facebook, sa Instagram, para at least it drives traffic to your YouTube channel. So, within 24 hours na in-upload mo, kailangan i-promote mo siya para matulungan yung videos mo to generate traffic. So, those are the 7 strategies na ginawa ko, kaya ko na-hit ang 1,000 subscribers in less than a month. Now, I have another video here na ito naman yung iniwasan ko at hindi ko ginawa. Importante mapanood mo to kasi pag ito ginawa mo, naku, I'm telling you, pwedeng ma-terminate ang YouTube channel mo. As usual, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you won't miss any of our video tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you grow your online brand, online business, and be your own boss. This is Allen De Leon. Thank you guys for watching, and please do check out the other videos that we have for you. Okay? Bye for now, guys, and God bless.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Allen Online TV. See you in our next video episode.